In a forgotten village, far from the noise of the city, in a forgotten village, far from the noise of the city, there was born a young man named Jake. Life was not kind to him. Born with a physical disability and raised in extreme poverty, many believed he had no future. But Jake had something rare, an unbreakable will. While other children played, he learned. While other children slept, he dreamed. He used crutches not just to walk, but to climb the mountain of his dreams. He didn't have fancy clothes or a warm meal every day, but he had a fire inside him that no one could put out. People mocked him. They whispered, "He won't make it." But Jake turned every insult into motivation. He studied under candlelight, walked miles to school, and helped his mother with chores. Each challenge made him stronger, not weaker. Years passed. He graduated top of his class. He earned a scholarship, and later started his own business empowering others with disabilities. Today, Jake stands tall, not just as a successful entrepreneur, but as a symbol of what determination can achieve. He often visits his village and asks the children, "What's the biggest dream you have?" And they answer, he says, "That's great. Now go make it happen." Because Jake knows that success isn't about where you start. It's about how hard you're willing to fight to become who you're meant to be. His message is simple. You are not your past or your potential. Disability is not inability. Poverty is not destiny. If you believe in yourself, you can turn your scars into stars. So next time, when life gets hard and you feel like giving up, remember Jake. Remember that success isn't about where you start, but about how hard you're willing to fight to get there. Your story isn't over yet. You have the power to change your future. Believe in yourself and keep moving forward. Thank you.